Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the IELTS UKVI general test. First, understand that this exam assesses your English language proficiency for UK visa applications. It covers 4 key skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The test format is essentially the same as the standard IELTS general training, so your preparation methods will be very similar. Remember, there isn't a pass or fail mark. You receive a band score from 1.0 to 9.0. Let's break down the test sections. The listening test has 40 questions over 4 recordings, lasting about 30 minutes plus 10 minutes to transfer answers. For reading, you'll tackle 3 sections with 40 questions in 60 minutes, often from everyday sources. The writing section requires you to complete 2 tasks, a letter and an essay, within 60 minutes. Finally, the speaking test is a personal interview with an examiner, typically lasting between 11 and 14 minutes. To succeed, consistent practice is crucial. Make sure to practice all 4 sections under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. Focus on enhancing your vocabulary and grammar by regularly engaging with English materials like newspapers and podcasts. Familiarize yourself with the different question types you'll encounter. For the reading test, mastering skimming and scanning techniques will help you locate answers efficiently and manage your time effectively. Effective preparation also involves using official IELTS practice materials to get accustomed to the test's style and difficulty. It's smart to identify your weaker areas and dedicate more study time to them, as this will yield better overall improvement. When practicing speaking, record yourself. Listening back helps you pinpoint mistakes and improve fluency. Finally, a positive mindset and good anxiety management on test day are just as important as your English skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.